Hello students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we are discussing class 7th chapter lines and angles and some of the questions based on it related to alternate interior angles, corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, linear pair. So let's start with the question. The first question given to you is two lines are intersecting each other. This angle is given to you as 55 degree and you have to find out this angle, and this angle. Whatever angles are unknown, we named them as a variable. So this is x degree, this is y degree and this is z degree. We have named them in the form of variables because these are unknown angles that we have to find out. Now in the previous video we have discussed about vertically opposite angles and linear pair. In this we know if this angle is 55 degree, then the angle which is opposite to it is also 55 degree because these are vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other, then the angles opposite to each other are known as vertically opposite angles and are always equal to each other. So therefore angle Y is equals to 55 degree. In the reason you will mention vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So this is also equals to 55 degree vertically opposite angles. Now look carefully. This is a straight line. Let me name it as AB. Now AB is a straight line. I told you in the previous video, whatever angle is made on a straight line, that angle is always equal to 180 degree. Now this is a straight line. That means this complete angle on the straight line, this complete angle on the straight line is 180 degree. But this complete angle is divided into two parts, x and y. We know the value of y, but we don't know the value of x. So can I write it as on the line AB, x degree plus angle y is equals to 180 degree linear pair, because I already told you that the angle formed on the straight line is always equal to 180 degree and it is always equal to linear pair. So this is a linear pair and the linear pair is formed with the help of x and y. Y we know the value, x we don't know the value, x plus y equals to 180 degree. So x plus 55 degree is equals to 180 degree. So from here the value of x comes out to be 180 degree minus 55 degree, 125 degree. So this angle comes out to be 125 degree. If you want to check, 125 plus 55 is equals to 180 degree and 180 degree is the linear pair. Now we know that angle x comes out to be 125 and angle y comes out to be 55. Now these two lines are intersecting. If angle x is 125, then automatically angle z is also equals to 125 degree because these are vertically opposite angles. So in this way we can find out the angles. If this angle is 125, this is also 125 vertically opposite angles. Let's do another question. A question is given to you. This angle, this angle, this angle, this is 40 degree. This is 25 degree. This is X. This is, wait, this line is still here. This is Y and this is Z. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the value of X, Y, Z. If you look carefully, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. Both these are straight lines. That means the angle made on the straight line is always equals to 180 degree linear pair. So can I write down 40 degree plus X degree plus 25 degree? All these angles, 40, X and 25, all these angles are on the straight line. So sum of these angles is equals to 180 degree linear pair. Now 40 plus 25 is 65 plus X is equals to 180 degree. Now X is equals to 180 minus 65, which is equals to 115 degree. That means this X comes out to be 115 degree. Now if you want to check, you can add all these angles. 115 plus 25, 140. 140 plus 40, 180. So this means this is a linear pair. Now what we have to do is, we have to find out the angle which is equals to Y and Z. We don't know the angle Y and Z, and that we have to find out. Now look carefully. This angle is 40 degree. Now this is a straight line and this is the straight line. These two are the straight lines. A, B, P, Q. A, B, P, Q. These two are the straight lines and these angles are formed by these two straight lines, and these two angles are vertically opposite to each other. That means angle C is also equals to 40 degree vertically opposite angles. This is also equals to 40 degree. Now look carefully. This is a straight line. That means the whole angle that is made on the straight line in the downward position is 180 degree linear pair. So can I write it as Y degree plus Z degree is 180 degree linear pair? Z is 40. This 40 goes to this side, becomes minus. It comes out to be 140 degree. So this is the value of Y, 140 degree. 140 plus 40 is 180 degree. That is a linear pair. You can cross check also. Now what you need to understand after this is a new concept, that is, what do you mean by a transversal? Whenever two lines are given to you and a line cuts them on two distinct points. Suppose these two lines are given to you and this L is the transversal that cuts these two lines at this point and this point. So this is the transversal that cuts two lines at two distinct points. Now three things you need to understand on the basis of transversal is that first, When a transversal cuts two parallel lines, then the alternate interior angles are equal, which are on the opposite side. That is, this angle is in the interior of this line. This is the exterior part, this is the exterior part, and this is the interior. Interior means under. This is the interior part. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equals to this angle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. Alternate interior angles. Second thing you need to understand is the angles on the same side of the transversal. The sum of angles on same side of transversal. This is the transversal, and these two angles are on the same side. This side, and these two angles are on the same side but on that side. So the sum of these two angles is always equals to 180 degree. That is, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. Sum of angle on the same side of transversal 180 degree. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. Right? Next thing you need to understand in case of transversal is that the corresponding angles are always equal. That is, what do you mean by the corresponding angles? Let me make you understand. Suppose this is given to you, then this angle is equals to this angle. Okay? This angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This angle is made on the upper line on this side. Similarly, this angle is made on the downward line but on the same side. So this is equal to this. Similarly, this is on the lower side. This is on the lower side. So this angle is also equal to angle 4 corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 5 on the top side, angle 6 on the top side, both are equal. Angle 7 on the lower side, angle 8 on the lower side, both are equal, and these are known as corresponding angles. Let me make you understand with the help of a single question. Suppose the question is given to you. A question is given to you. This angle is given 50 degree. This angle is A and this angle is B. Okay? A, B, C, D. Now what you have given is, in the question it is given AB is parallel to CD. This AB line is parallel to CD line and BC is transversal. This BC is transversal. Now if you look carefully, these two lines are also cut by this transversal, right? These are the two lines we consider, and we can say these two lines are cut by a transversal. I already told you, when the two lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. That means 50 degree is equal to angle A, alternate interior angles. This means this is 50 degree. Now, these are the two parallel lines and this is the transversal that cuts the two parallel lines. This is given to you. Now, this is the transversal. That means whatever angle is on the same side of transversal, the sum of those angles is equal to 180 degree as we have done. Okay. So, this is the two parallel lines and this is the transversal. So, this angle plus this angle. These are on the same side of transversal. So both the angles have the sum as 180 degree. So can I write, name it as angle 1. Angle A plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. In the reason, mention it as angles on the same side of transversal are 180 degree, right? So from here angle 1 comes out to be 180 minus 50, 130 degree. This angle A is 50 degree. When it goes to this side, gets minus, so it comes out to be 130 degree. Now again, these are the two lines and this is the transversal cutting the two lines. So alternate interior angles are equal. So can I write it as angle B is equals to 130 degree alternate interior angles. So in this way you can solve multiple questions based on alternate interior angles, corresponding angles and angles on the same side of transversal. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.